Week 1, save $1, easy. Week 10, save $10, still doable. Week 30, $30, getting tight. Week 52, $200. For most people, that's when the 52-week savings challenge dies. Here's the traditional challenge. Week 1, you save $1. Week 2, $2. Week 3, $3. By week 52, you're saving $52 in 1 week. It's not a willpower problem. It's a design problem. The challenge is built backward. So let's flip it. The problem, December, the most expensive month of the year, holiday gifts, travel, parties, and now your challenge wants $200 in 4 weeks. That's why 80% of people quit by November. Method 1, the reverse challenge. Instead of starting small and ending big, start big and end small. Week 1, $52. Week 2, $51. Week 3, $50. By December, you're only saving for $3 to $1. You finish the year with $1 in the final week. It's psychologically easier because you're building momentum, not dread. Plus, January is when people are most motivated. You've got that New Year energy. Use it when it counts. Save $52 in week 1 while your motivation is high. Method 2, the random challenge. Write numbers 1 through 52 on small pieces of paper. Put them in a jar each week. Pull one out. That's how much you save. Some weeks you'll pull a 3 easy week. Some weeks you'll pull a 45 challenging week. But here's the key. You get to choose when to pull. Good week. Pull a high number. Tight week. Pull a low number. You're in control. And by the end, you'll still save $1,378, but on your terms. Method 3, the flexible challenge. This is my favorite. Divide the 52 weeks into 3 tiers. 17 low weeks, save $5 to $15. 17 medium weeks, save $20 to $35. And 18 high weeks, save $40 to $52. Color code your calendar. Green weeks are your buffer birthday months, tight paychecks. Red weeks are when you have extra tax refund, bonus, 3 paycheck month. You decide which week gets which color. This method accounts for real life. Some months are expensive, some are flush. Work with your cash flow, not against it. Here's the hack that makes any of these methods automatic. Set up a weekly auto transfer from checking to savings. Even $5 a week adds up to $260 a year without you thinking about it. But here's the advanced move. Use a savings app that rounds up your purchases. Buy coffee for $50. It rounds to $5 and saves the 50 cents. That alone can save $500 to $1,000 a year. Combine roundups with your weekly challenge, and you're looking at $2,000+ saved in 1 year. On autopilot, whatever method you choose, track it. There's something powerful about physically checking a box. It gamifies saving. You see your streak. You don't want to break it. I use a simple printable calendar on my fridge. Some people use apps. Some use bullet journals. Find what works for you, but track it. I've created trackers for all 3 methods: reverse, random, and flexible. Link in the description. Pick your method, print your tracker. Start this week. $1,378. That's what all 3 methods get you. The only difference is how you get there. Reverse if you want momentum. Random if you want flexibility. Flexible if you want control. Pick one. Start this week. And comment below which method you're choosing. I want to see who's in. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want more money strategies that actually work in real life. Next week, I'm breaking down how to turn your 52-week savings into your first investment. You don't want to miss it. Now go pick your method. You've got this.